Ready to dive into web hosting without spending a dime? Let's get started. InfinityFree is a fantastic option for free web hosting, perfect for beginners and budget-conscious users. First, head over to InfinityFree's website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and verify your email. Easy, right? Next, create your hosting account. Choose between a free subdomain or connect your own domain if you've got one. Simple and flexible. Now let's get your website up and running. You can install WordPress with just a single click using Softaculous, or upload your existing website files via FTP. InfinityFree provides a free cPanel for managing your site's advanced settings. Security is crucial, and InfinityFree has you covered with a free SSL certificate. Navigate to your control panel, click on SSL, and follow the instructions. Secure your website and boost your credibility. Get started today and build your online presence without spending a cent. Happy hosting! For more tips and resources on web hosting, visit ouwp.blog. Happy hosting!